Today marks history. Delta's first non-stop flight from Atlanta to Marrakech has officially launched. Join us for the inaugural journey, a celebration of culture, connection, and new horizons. On October 25, 2025, Delta Airlines launched its first-ever non-stop route connecting the U.S. Southeast to Marrakech, Morocco. This route marks Delta's entry into North Africa, opening a new direct gateway from Atlanta, ATL, to Marrakech Manara, RAK. The flight operates 3 times per week aboard a Boeing 767-400ER, offering Delta One, Premium Select, Comfort Plus, and Main Cabin options. With over 125 U.S. cities able to connect via Atlanta, this route enhances access from across America to Morocco. When the plane departed Hartsfield-Jackson, the gate had been transformed into a festive send-off. Moroccan music, sweet treats, and giveaways. A ribbon-cutting ceremony brought together Delta staff, airport partners, and travelers to commemorate the historic launch. On board, passengers experienced Delta's premium touches. Lie-flat seats in Delta One, curated dining, thoughtful amenities across cabin classes. Upon arrival in Marrakech, guests were welcomed with traditional Moroccan hospitality, mint tea, local snacks, and warm greetings that set the tone for their journey. It was more than just a flight. It was culture, connection, and a bridge between continents. Here's what you need to know about the ATL to RAK route. Frequency, 3 flights per week. Tues, Thurs sat from ATL, Wed, Freisun from RAK. Aircraft, Boeing 767-400ER, with 4 classes. Delta One, Premium Select, Comfort Plus, Main Cabin. Connectivity, over 125 U.S. cities one-stop via Delta's hub in Atlanta. Seasonal ramp-up, additional daily service during holiday periods to meet demand for passengers. This means a more seamless journey from many U.S. cities to Marrakech, eliminating long layovers or multiple connections. Marrakech is a city of vivid contrasts. Ancient alleys and modern luxuries, bold colors, spices, and timeless beauty. Visit the Jemaa El Fna Square, explore its maze-like Medina, stroll through the lush Majorelle Garden, and wander the ornate palaces and historic mosques. With Delta's new route, Americans can more easily explore this UNESCO World Heritage City, sample Moroccan cuisine, barter in souks, and dive into its rich cultural tapestry. It's not just a destination. It's an experience you won't forget. Delta's non-stop from Atlanta to Marrakech is more than a flight. It's a new bridge between the U.S. and Morocco. Click the link in the description to follow the flight attendants behind the scenes on Delta's life at Delta Instagram. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel news and route launches. Thanks for watching. Until next time, safe journeys and bon voyage.